So, hello, welcome to our live stream on 31st of July. I hope you all enjoy the summertime. Just give me a quick feedback if you can see and hear me. Ralph, yeah, I can see you know your message. So, perfect, Florian, nice to see you here. Yeah, then let's get started. If you don't know me yet, please feel free to ask me any questions anytime here, also on YouTube. My name is Rother. I'm giving every Thursday a live stream here on 3 p.m. Central European Time or 9 a.m. Eastern Time. And we are basically talking about trading and the market opening of the New York US markets. I started trading at the age of 13, where I set up my first my first brokerage account, and with 17 I set up my first investment company with two partners in Frankfurt, Germany, where I basically learned and started to do the investment business. I sold my shares in that company and I moved to China in 2004, where I set up a second investment firm with my Chinese partner. And at peak times, we had over $150 million under management, and I had a team of 30 traders and analysts in my company. My best trading day, I mean, it's always interesting and important to hear, was basically during the subprime crisis 2008, where I made over 800K in a single day with Forex transactions. But if you are quite successful in China, and I was young, I got arrested in May 2011 for outsmarting the Chinese financial system, and I was released after 7 years and 7 months in December 2018. Where I came back to Germany and I wrote a book. It's called Dragon Years. It became a best-selling book, and right now I'm running 2 communities in German and English focusing on prop firm trading. So, and here's a very cool offer from Bookmap, and I also want to have this jacket. I already wrote it to Bookmap. This is looking very cool since I'm having many hoodies in this way, and to have one from Bookmap would be awesome. What is it about? The blue jacket competition is starting. Post it, hashtag free blue jacket, and you will have the chance to win. This hoodie, and also get 3 months of Global Plus for free and so on. And as you know, in my community we have Laura. She's also a mod here in the German community for Bookmap, and she won the blue jacket competition. So I'm very proud of her. So now it's also your chance to do it. Get ready for it, and I know if Dan is here, probably, or anyone else, you can check it out. That is most important thing. So next thing is, if you are here on YouTube and you do not have a Bookmap account yet or Discord channel, just sign up for Bookmap. Take your email address and get your access to the Bookmap Discord channel. Go to verification. There you enter your email address and you will get a code, and you are ready to join my private chat room here, Robert Rosa. You can see the live stream, and you also do not have any delays in posting messages, and you also have a lot of new benefits that you can use here. Good morning, T. Dan, I already said I also want to have this jacket. Probably Bookmap should offer a merchandise store. That is really, really cool. Then about me, just my wall of payments from Apex. My status here from as a live prop trading account. I'm probation status from Apex since September last year. And also yesterday, if you watched the German live stream, I funded 10 Bullenoox accounts in one move here. Live on Bookmap, you can also see some of the certificates. It was very funny, I reached my profit goals for my private accounts, and then here now the certificates are looking all the same. For 50k accounts, that was a very good trading day, and everything live on Bookmap. Very funny. So I was quite successful. Yeah, and also if you want to trade like me, we have two communities in English. One basically it's our day trading community every day, and I also have now a new one for $49 still a month, where I develop a blueprint, which is also the foundation for my book, to yeah, offer you my trading advice in a very nice way. You can see your onboarding guide, my tools before you start, first month, second month, third month, and also English version of my book. So that you can read about my crazy life. That is, yeah. My first Ferrari, 1,000 woman, Angelina, dollars 2,000 bottle wine to wash it down. Yeah, Lafitte Rothschild. It's a very funny story. So now we are going to the official part here. All Bookmap limited materials, information, presentations are for educational purposes only and should not be considered specific investment advice, no recommendations. Trading futures, equities, and digital currencies involves substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for all investors. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. So then we can also start here the official business. And this is also what I do normally every day. Yeah. In our community, we have Bookmap. As you can see, I already connected to my Apex accounts. Then I go to settings, configure add-ons. I have to update the VWAPs. I know I can do this automatically, but I always like to do things manually. We have the London VWAP, and today is 31st. We have the day VWAP, which is starting with the extended trading hours, 31st. And we have the US session VWAP, which is going to start at market opening, although regular trading hours. Hello, Laura. Nice to see you here. And yeah, Ralf, nice to see you back. So we have the situation here. Then we see here the cloud nodes. I have to update the settlement prices. Okay, and what happened here? Probably some news yesterday. 6,370. And then up again. Okay, I didn't check this out. I was celebrating a birthday party. I have to update settlement prices. I'm using for this Google spreadsheet. I'm also showing you how to do that. First, what we need is the spreadsheet here for the ES, for NQ, and we need the website of the Chicago Mercantile Exchange to get the settlement price. This we do on markets, E-mini S&P, settlements, and settlement price from yesterday, 96.25, 396.25. Now we're going to this sheet here. Copy paste the last line. Copy. Paste. 396. 0.75. 396. I know you can do this everything automatically, but I am resisting this at 0.25. It gives me always a good feeling. And that was a settlement price from yesterday. It's so the 30s. We're adding the color. So we have now the last one has a different color than the previous settlement prices. And now we are looking here at the NASDAQ. Yeah, come on. Settlements. At 480.50. Same thing here. Let's see. What was for my short-term memory? 480.5. Actually, settlement prices are the best trades at the moment. I can tell you that. Yesterday also one trade. Within a couple of seconds, business was done. So now this is being uploaded to Bookmap. I can close this and we should see an adjustment of the settlement price here for the ES and NQ shortly. We can also make it faster. Settings, save. Now 30s is already here inside, yeah. 95. Perfect. Then let's have a look. Are there any interesting situations before market opening? Market is reacting nicely here on London VWAP. Oh, here, yeah, here. And now we're exactly at day VWAP. We're in this range here, but we can see the market is very choppy here. I don't like that so much, because you get screwed quickly, so you must be careful if you see this sort of movements. Probably news related. This is the next thing that we have to cover. Trading economics, calendar, news, calendar, not news. So we're going into 2 stars. Thursday, today, 2:30, we had PCE price index, personal income, blah blah blah, but no big surprises here. Something else coming up. 345 Chicago PMI, okay. No, otherwise not that important. So we do not have to pay attention to that. Should I add a news VWAP here? No, I don't think so. There is not much happening. Yeah, anyway, if you have any questions here, feel free to ask them. Yeah. Tom, hello. Bratwurst, hello. Flo, hello. I would buy the hoodie. Rotten is a gunner. Yeah, me too, definitely. Immediately. I already said this. I would like to have one and buy one, yeah. The armor, hello. You made it exact 35 seconds after the news, Rezo. You made a trade. This is dangerous, you know. So basically you went short here at London VWAP, and I think you got lucky, yeah. Tell me, this is very, very high risk trade. I wouldn't have done this trade. And you should not trade before all day. You remember what we said yesterday? So let's have a look at the bigger picture here. Let's delete this long-term VWAPs. And from yesterday, all this things to get a clear picture of the situation. We have a volatility index of 15, which is definitely in a very, very tradable zone. We tested the VWAPs here from yesterday and the lows. 396, there's also another VWAP here, that settlement price. So let's add the long-term VWAPs. I will keep them here in place. They are from lows that are anchored. Good support zones. Now I'm going to add the day VWAP here. Oh, no standard deviations. Okay, now they're coming. Then the London VWAP here at, this is 9 AM. And I'm coloring this one in green. So next thing is, yeah, we have this low that is interesting. I definitely want to anchor a VWAP here. Let's start here with the, yeah, what's the difference? Not small one. Settings, intraday. There, and if I add one here. Where do we have to be coming there? Okay, I will have these two anchor points. Let's look here on a smaller time frame. There and here. Yeah, these two VWAPs, you can see if you anchor them at different points there, we still have some big differences, but I believe we can trade both. So again, also today, best trade most likely will be a gap close trade, settlement price here. Also this one. Very nice. Check again. $396.25. This is according to 96.25. Here's the settlement price. Yeah, it's a long way here still. So, yeah, otherwise there's not much. We can add another anchored VWAP at the high. Okay, similar to the London VWAP. Now market is going here probably out of this range. And adding a VWAP here. Yeah, there's not much to trade here at the moment. So we need some patience. I do not see a good opportunity here right now. So we wait for market opening. So that's your chance to ask questions. Hello, Bob, Eliza. Nice to see you again. Aiko, what is the difference between LIT Academy and LIT Day Trading? Academy gives you the foundation of my knowledge that I have. And it not only focuses on day trading, also longer term trading. We will cover basically 3 ways: how you can set up your prop firm trading, how you can trade your own capital, and how can you do copy trading. Yeah, or what to know about copy trading if you want to follow other trading systems. And this is like a 90-day course that is starting right now. And I will give you the foundation that you can basically copy my knowledge. In LIT day trading, we really do live day trades every day. Every day, like now, we are trading. You can see my trades for around about 1 hour to 90 minutes. And then my trading day is done for day trading. And I normally reach my profit goal, or I know it's not going to work today, so I'm out. The one thing, day trading is really focusing on day trading and live trading. LIT Academy is more like a self-learning module. Ama, if you come to our day trading community, you can get the access to that sheet. But we are not giving this away for free. And one of our community, either me or right now, also many people are on holidays, they are going to update this. So, market slowly going down here, and where is the support zone? Maybe here this low. You can also see some liquidity here in this area. But right now for me it's simply stay away and wait. That's the thing that I do most of the time. So, yeah. Nothing to do here right now. Probably another nice short trade. Later would be London session VWAP again. If you really want to trade, you can add an anchored VWAP here at the high and look if we get to pullback. Here this area, but I'm not going to take this trade, not 8 minutes before opening. It's too risky and need simply patience. Yeah, what should I tell you here right now? We have to wait. Another 7 minutes to get some action here. Also, yeah, you can hit the like button here on YouTube. Everyone waiting patiently here. Oh, I forgot to activate copy trading, multi-account trading. So now we are ready to go with all funded accounts. Chris, hello, nice to see you here. Robert, I'm new to seeing your specific chart setup. Can you quickly review what your dashed yellow lines represent? Yeah, these dashed yellow lines are the standard deviation from the VWAP. This is the day VWAP, volume weighted average price, starting with the electronic trading hours, which is midnight Central European time or 6 p.m. Eastern time from the previous day then, of course. And this is the deviation. If you go to settings, configure add-ons, VWAP, you see something like this here. Day VWAP, bands show plus minus deviation and plus minus second deviation. And then you will see these lines. They are good indication of if there is a trend or not. If they are really going to widen, let's say like here, one is going up, other one is a little bit going down, it means that we get momentum into the market. Some people also using this as a sort of reversal pattern. They are going to buy and sell at the deviations. That is working quite well in ranging markets. Like here you can see market exactly touching the standard deviation, and then algorithms are coming in to buy. And these pullbacks I am using to to make money. What size I'm using today? Right now, during this times, I'm only trading on 50k accounts with one lot. And I have to be consistent to build up my performance to get the next payouts. I feel comfortable with that. Probably in autumn or winter time I'm going to change to 2 or 3, but right now I'm happy with small wins on all my accounts. Yeah, like I said yesterday, I got 10 new accounts in live trading here on Bookmap, and yeah, you just scale. If you make $100 on one account and you can do this times 25, it's okay. So 2 minutes to go. I mean, we have a low volatility here. We could see a big order coming in with 500 lots here. Sell limit order. But we also have the Trump show that is going on, and that means we have sometimes crazy spikes, yeah. And this is why I am trading very careful and using smaller position size. It's not about how much money you make, it's just about consistency and that you make money every day. Doina, hello. If some VWAPs like London or daily VWAP is, for example, more or less on the same price, which one are you going to take? The first one. There is no, like here, for example, now in this we have the day VWAP here, London VWAP here. I would take the day VWAP. But then my stop loss would be probably here, which is also not good, but there is no right or wrong in this case. It always depends on what risk are you willing to take. If you want to take more risk, you take the first one. If you want to be more conservative, you take the second or third one. And this also depends basically on your account size, especially on prop firm accounts. Right now I got many payouts, so my buffer zone is not so big, so I have to trade smaller lots until I'm back into payout zone. So market is open. You can see some Iceberg orders here, but nothing big would give me any attention. We can see here Iceberg order following basically VWAP. Welcome, Neuna. Our market is chasing the prices here, and now they sold it for 300 lots here. So where do you want to go, market? Let's have a bigger picture here. I mean, next support would be 24. This area gap close. I'm still waiting here. Because we have this move now, I would also not short the US session VWAP, because most likely this is a selling pressure from the beginning, and then the market will continue to go up. I wait. If you look at the SPY, same thing, but no liquidity surprises here. Nvidia also opened at 183, now 182. Tesla, same thing. So this might be a potential short here, but I'm out of the game. Or should I take this trade? I'm not sure here really, because we have this up sell off, and then mostly market will go up into or back to sender after market opening. But we can play it here if you have it in your mind. Go short here at 40. Target would be 37.5. Or stop loss here at 42.5. And yeah, like you can see, as I mentioned, dangerous. Yeah, I saved myself a loss here. Patience is king, so we're adding a new anchor VWAP at the low. This VWAP here finds more attraction. It is from anchored here from this high. Interesting how you can see here how the market is reacting to it, but it's not enough. I really would try, I think we are going back this direction here of the day VWAP, either going short there or trying to catch here on this uptrend. I would try it here at this VWAP from the low. Okay, now we are in. Oh, and give me a couple more ticks. The one tick here, yeah. Many times happened like this here in the last days. One tick, don't be a dick, yeah. There's Marco. Okay, I'm stopped out. Yeah, this was unlucky. One tick before my take profit, but there will be another chance here. Chris, do you have your volume dots set to see only a specific contract size? No, I don't. I just have the normal function here where I can, yeah, you see this button here on the top where you can switch. I don't have any further specifications. This is annoying here. Everything was good, but then here, yeah, screwed me by one tick. So, where do you want to go? I probably here the next target would be 26, 25. This is interesting. Yeah. Have nice liquidity coming here in 22, yeah, 25. These are the settlement prices from 25th and 28th. This is a nice support zone. Yeah, if you have questions, feel free. If you are new here also on YouTube, you can leave a like button. So, yeah, not much to say here, no? Looks like market really wants to get some lower prices, and I really would like to see this liquidity here. Yeah, Rezo, this one tick, yeah. Everything was okay, but just unlucky for one tick. Market is slowly moving downwards. I don't like this sort of movements. I'm already placing my order here at this liquidity and settlement price. PSL, you mean, Florian, previous session low? Pre-session low, yeah. Here. Oh, there's... Yeah, there's not much to say here right now. Market slowly tingling here. To the downside. So, did we hit a bottom here? Wow, okay. Oh yeah, it was the small news release, yeah, for 5-6 points. This is basically what happened. Microsoft jumps 8.2% to surpass $4 trillion in market value. Very good, Florian. Congratulations. Yeah, that was a perfect trade. Yeah. And yeah, no, you never get a positive slippage. This never happened. Only a negative one. Very good. Yes, T, you are right. It's a limit order. You cannot get, say, a slippage. Kaza, you recovered from 2 bad trades. Yeah, congratulations. I also have to recover, but I'm waiting for my opportunity here. And if not, I'm trading so low risk here at the moment because it's summertime that I really do not care. So now we're coming close to US session VWAP. Adding an anchored VWAP here, but I'm not going to take this trade. I think market might continue here back to day VWAP. And we almost touched it here at 37. Would be day VWAP and US Open same level, yeah. That's a good sign. Yeah, good that I did not take this trade. This level here, this VWAP really has some relevance. Yes, this level here, this is very interesting. I'm already placing a sell limit order here. Now the question, Doina, exactly where to place the order here, yeah? Day VWAP, London VWAP, VWAP from high. For the last liquidity, yeah, that is the conservative entry point. I'm choosing the more aggressive one, Florian. Nordic, how about going long from NY VWAP? This one here. Yeah, could be a possibility. I have the VWAP here from this low as a reference point. Maybe we can use other VWAPs here, like this low. Yeah, it looks like market wants to go up now. Oh, yeah, bigger one here, 52. Come on now, which entry level I get now? An entry here at this VWAP from the high. I'm going to take it a little bit higher here to London VWAP, my order. Okay, now I'm in. The market is so slowly again here. At 53 is a big order block, that's correct. Gerhard, yeah, nice to see you here. I hate this annoying trades here. Come on now. Come on, give me the push now here. Even liquidity coming up here at 43. If not, I'm going to probably giving it now a last chance here to move. Yeah, okay, that's good. I'm getting out now here, so have to take it. It's not really want to moving into my direction, then you just cut it before. And now you're moving into my direction, yeah? Yeah, Florian, same me. I'm also out now. This is too... this is not the trades that I like. So now even I would be stopped out, so I saved myself some ticks. Yeah, market wants to go up, so where you want to go? Back to all-time highs. I mean, of course, next thing is this liquidity here. It looks big, but if you look here at this order, it's not that big. It's just big in comparison to the other levels, but it's not like a 1000 or 2000 lot order here. 100, 200, 300, 400, around 500 lots here in this area. I mean, market looks like we want to go long, so let's try to jump on it somehow here. Maybe we get a pullback at day VWAP. So maybe another chance here at day VWAP and VWAP from this breakout point, basically since that level we started this movement. Okay, we got this trade here at the day VWAP now. Let's see if this is a last attempt. So, well, it's come on. So a couple more ticks here. Again, here's this one tick. Not, I'm also going out here soon. Ah, come on, one more. Oh, tick. You got the fill? How did that happen? You got lucky. Okay, now I also got lucky. Very good, Florian. Yeah, at least I also got my fill now. Yeah, you were one tick earlier in. Yeah, then yeah, we're going to continue now in our day trading community. If you would like to join us, you know, just come here. And I would say to all our day traders, we see each other in 5 minutes. Well, and well, just one more trade and we are back on track here, at least. So take care. Otherwise, see you again tomorrow. Not tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow for our community members or next week. Bye.